Hey, what is up? Matt Goldberg here from Stocklot World. You probably already noticed, and I have, that your salary, your wages, your paycheck is shrinking. Shrinking. It's becoming worth less and less and less. Inflation. I hate that word, but inflation is killing our paychecks, our salaries, our income, and it's having a big effect on a lot of people's lives because, you are used to getting more for your money each month. We are not getting as much for our money as we were. Prices are going up, food costs are going up, the cost of living is going up, our bills are going up, interest rates have just gone back up a little bit. The cost of everything is going up. Clothing, you go into any shop now and the price levels are certainly increasing. And so we are not getting as much for our money as we used to. And, if you've got a lot of outgoings each month, car payments, bills, food costs, expenses, things that you pay for, for your kids each month, the list goes on and on and on. You are going to be basically having more month at the end of your money, as they say. So the question is, what are you going to do about it? What are we all going to do about it? Basically, we have to make a decision about our livelihoods. And, if you are only earning a salary in your job or your business and nothing else, then you are going to run into problems. You're going to be hitting walls, and you could potentially end up in financial trouble. I don't need to tell you, I'm not preaching anything whatsoever. I'm just stating the truth of how things are going to be in the next few years. Whatever job you're doing, whatever salary you are on, 20, 30, 40, 50 grand or more, after tax, you are going to run into problems. If you are used to living that lifestyle that you are living, and you want to keep up that lifestyle, you are going to run into problems. If you are only making one form of income, if you are only getting one income stream coming in, you are going to run into problems. Don't think you're not, because you are, because your money is just shrinking. And what you need to be thinking about is how you can make another income stream on top of your main income stream. And that's what, a lot of people do. A lot of people make money maybe from property, or maybe they get dividends from shares or various investments. But the majority of people live paycheck to paycheck each month. The majority do. I was looking at some statistics in America, and I think like over 75% of people live paycheck to paycheck and have like no savings whatsoever. And inflation's going on all over the world. It's not just the UK. It's happening in America, and it's certainly going to be happening across Europe as well. So you seriously need to think about making another income stream on the side of your main salary that you bring in each month. And this is not something to brush off or think, I'll be fine. You've got to take this very, very seriously indeed. If you've got money sat in the bank, that is shrinking as well, because that's just not worth what it was, and it's not going to be worth what it was. If you've got 10 grand sat in the bank, it's not going to be worth 10 grand because of inflation. So guys, if you are taking this seriously about your income, you need to have a think about, making another income stream. Whether you are doing something, for a few hours a day on the side of your job, or on the side of your business that you can maybe plug into your existing business. So if you're interested in earning another income stream, I want to make you a serious offer, because some of you will know, some of you might not know, but I actually have a coaching program actually teaching this business. And I'm not one of these gurus that actually teaches something, that I don't actually do myself. I actually practice what I preach. Everything I teach my students, I do myself in my own business. I'm helping people around the world set up their own inventory brokering business that they can run full-time or on the side of their existing job or existing business. And there is potential for you to earn up to 6 figures a year doing this. The great thing about this business now, what I've created over the last several years, is that it's all 100% online based. There's no phone calls involved. There's no handling any inventory whatsoever. There's no warehousing. There's no employees required. It's all done online. So we're moving goods from one company to another company without touching it, without seeing it, without holding it. This is what I'm teaching people. My methods are proven. I've got students making money in this business. I'm going to open a few more slots for anyone interested in learning this business and, help get you set up and earning another income stream. Now, by the end of 2021, I'm actually closing my program to any more applicants. I'm focusing on helping my existing students get more and better results. My program will be doubling in price. It will be doubling in price. What I'm doing is I'm opening 3 slots for anyone that wants to come into my program. It requires a low 4-figure investment. So if you are interested, and I'm only looking for serious people, I've got 3 more slots open for anyone who is interested. Once they are filled, my program is closing at the end of this month. So when I do reopen my program, it will be double the price. If you want to get in at this cheaper price level, then please send me a private message and I will give you some details. We can jump on a call and we can get you started and ready for 2022. So message me if you are seriously interested and we can have a chat. See you soon.